Welcome, in front of me is a POCO X3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, before we get started, we will need the SIM ejector. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there or use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. It will work just as well. So from there, pop out the tray, and on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM and one SD. I'm gonna show you how you place a SIM card if you choose to use two of them. So you place it on the same tray as the SD card, just a different way, like so. Because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it to the side. There we go. And then place this as well, like so. Now there's nothing really holding these cards in place, so you'll have to hold them yourself when you're inserting it, otherwise it will fall out. There we go. And we should see a pin. There we go, that's the pin for the SIM card. So the SIM card is working, and SD card is connected, so SD card is working as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.